What up, peeps? I'm back. Okay, here we go. So this is just a review topic. We already learned how to create equations like a week ago, and the reason why I'm going over this again is because we're gonna have an exam this week. So we need to review this topic. This is a topic where you guys struggled a lot. Some of you guys already know how to do this, okay? Now, the first thing is create an equation. If I tell you to create an equation, what do you write?
Y equals mx plus b.
Good. Y equals mx plus b. Okay? You need two things to create an equation. What are the two things that you need?
Slope and y-intercept.
So this is your slope, and this right here is your y-intercept. Okay? Now, for slope, we use a specific formula for slope. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? So these are the two formulas that you need to know in order for you to create an equation. Create y equals mx plus b. So this is what I want you to do. If you know how to do number one already, I want you to pause the video, work on the problem, and then fast forward to the answer. If you get it right, then move on to number two. But if you get it wrong, rewind it and see where you made a mistake by looking at how I solved the problem. So let's begin. Let me zoom in here. Okay, first thing you need for y equals mx plus b is you need your slope and you need your b. The easiest one is the y-intercept. Remember, she's the single lady on the y-axis. She's a single lady on the y-axis. Which one's your single lady? What number?
4.
Good. 4 right here. So this one is your big B. Now we need a corner point. Some of you guys are struggling understanding what corner points are. So let me zoom this in right here. Look, this is not a corner point because it doesn't hit a corner of a square. That seems like a corner point, but it's not because it's kind of close, it's under the corner. This right here could function as a corner point. This doesn't. That one doesn't either. That is not a corner point. That does function as a corner point. This one doesn't. So do you understand the difference of corner points?
Yes.
Good. Now, the y-intercept is always, 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 always going to be one of your corner points. So B is one of your corner points. So then we have, let me just remember what I said. So the B is always the y-intercept. So let's pick another corner point. I want to pick, let's say, this one right here. This one's a perfect corner point, okay? So now the only thing you need to do is get your coordinates, right? So for M, we know that M, we need 2 points. 1, 2. One of them is your B. Your B is 0, 4. So that's one of your corner points, okay? Now we need to know this one, the other one I picked. Now a lot of you guys are having trouble understanding what corner points are. She's the other girl in the club, in the slope club, Big B. She's a friend of Big B. You want to get the digits of Big B. That's the best friend. So you want to get the corner points. You start at the origin. If you want to get to that point, how many spaces do you go to the right? 1, 2, 3. So you go 3 spaces to the right, and then how many do you go up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the point is 3, 5. Okay? So the other point is 3, 5. Okay? And now you know how to do this. I hope you didn't forget. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? Let's plug it into your slope formula. M equals Remember that? Hopefully you didn't forget. Okay? It's y2 minus y1. So 5 minus 4 and 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. Then we do, what's the rule that I taught you?
Same change, change. Same
change, change. Same change, change. Here we go. Same sign or different signs at the top?
Different sign.
So subtract, so you get 1. You look at the big thug. The big thug is positive, therefore that one's positive. 3 plus negative 0. 0 can never be negative, so it's just 3. So that is your M. You need 2 things for an equation. You need your slope, and you need the y-intercept. You need the big B. And big B is easy. You already told me what big B is. It's 4. So then your big B is 4. Now remember, a lot of you guys got this on the test. You're like, oh, I'm done. I'm done. I got the M and I got the big B. Heck no, you're not done. It says write an equation. This is not an equation. These are the pieces to the equation. Now you're going to substitute it, right? So if I want to write an equation, it's y equals mx plus b. So instead of the m, what am I going to write?
1/3.
1/3 x. And instead of the b, what am I going to write?
4.
Plus 4. Now that right there is your equation. And geniuses, you already know how to graph. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beauty right now. You already know how to graph. That is your B, right? Remember how to graph? I taught you graphing for a whole week. B is 0, 4. The slope is 1/3. 1 up, 3 to the right. So 0, 3. 1 up, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I hit the line. Do it again. 1 up, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I hit the line. Do it again. 1 up, 1, 2, 3. Jesus, I hit the line. If you go the other way, look. Instead of going 1 up and 3 to the right, you go 1 down, 3 to the left, 2, 3. You hit the line. 1 down, 1, 2, 3. You hit the line. That means your equation is correct. So that is the answer. Y equals 1/3 x plus 4. Is this line proportional or non-proportional? You guys are awesome with this. What do you think this is?
Non-proportional.
Good. So this is non-proportional because why?
The line does not intersect the origin.
Whatever he said. Good job. So these are the answers for the first one. Y equals 1/3 x plus 4 and non-proportional. You good? Let's go to number 2 now. And also look at this. This makes sense. From left to right is positive. Is your slope positive?
Yes.
So what happens if your slope was negative? You're like, oh, I had a negative slope. What do you just do? You just take out the negative. You're right. That's it. That's being smart. Okay, let's go to number 2. Okay. Again, if you think you already know how to do number 2, pause the video. Okay? Pause the video. And once you're done, fast forward it and see if you got the right answer. So simple, same thing, create an equation. If I want to create an equation, I need to find my slope and the y-intercept. In order for me to find slope, though, I need 2 corner points, okay? One of the corner points is always going to be big B, the single lady on the y-axis. Oh, yeah. Big B in this case will be what?
0, 0.
So we always put the dot there. 0, 0. That's one of them, okay? Let's go over another corner point. You could put corner points down here, but I want to try over here. Is that a corner point?
No.
No. How about that one?
Yes.
That's a corner point. You see that? It's right there. Okay, and then I guess you could also pick this one right here. That also seems like a corner point, but I want to pick this one right here. Okay, so let's pick that one as your corner point. Boom. Okay. Now, you want her digits because you want to get the digits of big B, but she's rejecting you. So you want to get her friend's digits to help you out. So if you start at the origin, how many do you have to go to the left to reach this dot? 1, 2. So it's -2 because you went to the left. Then you went up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because you went up, is that positive or negative?
Positive.
Good. Let me review that again. Since you went 2 to the left, that means this is -2. And then since you went 5 up, that means that's +5. Okay? Let's quickly go over this thing now. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equals I'm getting confused. I think I need my math goggles. Okay? Let me see if this works. Are you ready, Scary Pumpkin? Oh! I got the answer! So it's 5 minus 0, -2 minus 0. Okay? Then I do same change, change, same change, change, same change, change, same change, change. Same change, change, same change, change. Look at the top. Same sign or different signs?
Different.
So what do you do with the numbers?
Subtract.
But in this case, it's just 5 plus 0, so it's just 5. Negative 2 plus 0 is?
Negative 2.
Good, it's just negative 2. Remember what I said? The negative goes where?
In the middle.
Right, so technically you should have put the negative in the middle. Now, you need the big B. Big B is the other piece to the puzzle. In this case, how much is B?
0.
0. So you already have all the pieces to the puzzle. No, this is not your answer. Put them together now. Because to write an equation, you go over y equals mx plus b. And instead of putting the m, what are we going to put here?
Negative 5 over 2.
Right, and let me put negative 5 over 2. Remember, the negative in the middle? X. And then what was your b?
0.
Plus z. Oh, do you really need to put plus 0 though?
Nah.
Not really. So don't put plus 0 on the test. Sorry, cross it out, cross it out. Cross it out. So the answer is just y equals negative 5 over 2x. Now, is this proportional or non-proportional?
Proportional.
Why is it proportional?
Because the line intersects the origin.
Whatever he said, you genius, good job. So the answer is y equals negative 5 over 2x, and this is proportional. Okay? And that's pretty much your answer. The answer for number 2 is this one. Let's go to number 3 now. Is this one here. If you think you know how to do number 3, pause the video, fast forward it to see if you got the right answer. And it makes it quicker, people. You finish your assignment quicker if you do that. Okay, write an equation. I need 2 things, right? Give me one of the things that you need. Slope. You need your m. If I want m, I need 2 points. Okay, I need corner points. One of the corner points is always going to be big B. She's a single lady on the y-axis. Who's a single lady here?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So then it's this one. Put a big dot there. So therefore it's 0. Remember, y-intercepts always have a 0 in the front. 0, negative 3. Let's pick another corner point. I want to pick... I can't. Can I pick this one?
No.
You sure?
Wait, it does look like a corner point.
Let me zoom in. Whoa. That one. Is that a corner point?
Yes.
You know what? I want to be adventurous. I want to pick something all the way up here. Can I pick that one?
Yes.
So let's pick that one right there. Oh yeah. Sexy point. There it is. Okay. Beautiful point. Okay. Now I want this point right here, right? Start at the origin. How many do you go to the right?
5.
5. Because you went to the right, that means it's going to be a positive 5. Now, how many did you go up to reach this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you went up, is that positive or negative 7?
Positive.
Good. Now, it's easy. Go ahead. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay? Use your slope. Oh shoot, I made it too big. It's okay. 7 minus 3, 5 minus 0. What do I do next?
Same change.
Same change. 7 plus 3 is?
10.
10. And 5 plus 0 is?
5.
Then you ask yourself, can you reduce this?
Yes.
By what number?
By 5.
Let's reduce this by 5. So the answer is going to be 2 over 1. That means your rise is 2, your run is 1. Rise is 2, and then your run is 1. What is your B here in this case?
Negative 3.
Okay, and that's the other piece that you need. I ran out of space, I'm sorry. So it's 0, negative 3. You already have all the pieces to the puzzle. You have this, you have that. You have both pieces. Now write an equation. Okay, so if you're on to write an equation, is y equals mx plus b. Oh shoot, I forgot how to create an equation. I think I need my magic goggles on. Let me see if this works. Are you ready, Scary Pumpkin? Scary Pumpkin, please. That should be the hottest pumpkin in the world. Oh! I got the answer. Beautiful pumpkin. y equals, instead of the m, I'm going to put 2. You don't have to put 2 over 1. If you do, it's not a big deal. 2x, and instead of the b, I'm going to put what?
-3.
-3. And that is your answer. Now, some people on the quiz did this. Y equals 2x plus -3. Even though that is not wrong, that looks weird. So we don't put the positive, you just put the -3, okay? Like that. Proportional or non-proportional?
Non-proportional.
Non-proportional. So this is the answer for number 3. Y equals 2x minus 3, and it's non-proportional. Double check your answer. Be smart. You already know how to graph. That's your y-intercept, right? B for beginning, -3. Your slope is 2 over 1, right? So 2 up, 1 to the right. Did you hit the line?
Yes.
Do it again. 2 up, 1 to the right. Did you hit the line?
Yes.
2 up, 1 to the right.
Yep.
2 up, 1 to the right. 2 up, 1 to the right. You see that every time you hit the line? That means you did it right. Now go the opposite way. 2 down, 1 to the left. Did you hit the line?
Yep.
2 down, 1 to the left.
Yes.
That means your answer is correct. Ready for number 4?
Yay.
Scary pumpkin. Beautiful pumpkin. Are you ready for number 4?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Scary pumpkin. Beautiful pumpkin. What do you mean scary pumpkin? Okay, if you already know how to try number 4 by yourself, pause the video, then fast forward it to the answer to see if you got it right. If you got it wrong, rewind it and see where you made your mistake. I need M. Simple. M, I need 2 points. 1, 2. Okay, I need 2 points for M. Big B is always going to be one of the points. Okay, there it is. Let's pick another corner point. I want to be adventurous. I want to pick something down here. Can you pick something up here? Yeah, you can. But I want to pick something down here. I like negatives. I like a challenge. Is that a corner point?
No.
No, it seems like it, but it's not. How about this one?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. So let's pick, you know what? I want to pick something further. No, I'll pick that one. Never mind. I don't want to reduce. Geniuses. If you pick the points that are more closer, you don't have to reduce. If you pick like points that are further away from each other, you're going to have to reduce eventually. You don't want to do that. Pick easy ones. Okay, so I know that one of the corner points is 0, 0. Okay, the other point. Oh, she's the big B. She's the most beautiful math lady in the slope club. She's our best friend. You want her digits to help you out with this big B y-intercept. So you start at the origin, you go to the left. How many?
3.
Since you went to the left, is that positive or -3?
Negative.
-3. Good, because you went to the left. And then in this case, I think I have to go down, right? How many did you go down?
2.
So since I went down 2, is that positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, here we go. Easy stuff. x1, y1, x2, y2. Break it up, write the slope formula. Oh! Right on the spot. It's called multi-talented. Okay. Okay. Let's go over -2 minus 0, -3 minus 0. What do I do next?
Same change.
Yeah, you better say same change. Same change. Same change. This is simple. -2 plus 0 is just -2. -3 plus 0 is -3. Yes. I got a special case. What happens if you have 2 negatives right here? They become what?
Positive.
So technically the right answer should be 2/3. That's your M. Okay? And then we said that the B was?
0.
So your B is 0. So you have all the points. All the pieces to the puzzle. The M and the B. Okay, this is not your answer. Now put them together in an equation. Okay, the equation is?
Y equals mx plus b.
Oh, I was blanking out. I was about to put my magic glasses on. What do you think? Should I put my magic glasses on?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I should include it with my magic hat too. Let's see if it works. Oh! I got it. Did you get it?
Yes.
You deserve a chip. 2 chips. Okay, let's go ahead and punch it in. Y equals, instead of the M, you're going to put
2/3.
2/3 X plus
0.
Do you have to put a 0?
Nah.
Okay, now look at that. And then is it proportional or not proportional?
Proportional.
This is proportional because it goes through the origin. So this is the answer for number 4. Y equals 2/3 X, and then it is proportional. Now, to check your answer, this is the way you check your answer. Big B is 0, 0, right? That means 2 up, 3 to the right. 2 up, 3 to the right. 1, 2 up, 1, 2, 3. Did you hit the graph?
Yep.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Technically, you didn't. There was a mistake here. Did we make a mistake?
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, the graph was actually written incorrectly. Okay, but overall, it should be fine. If you go down 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there was a mistake. See, there's my mistake. My mistake. I drew the line wrong. But that's the answer. Y equals 2/3 X. Ready for the last one?
Yay.
Oh, finally. This is a lot of work. But it's math. You ready? Pick a corner point. Your big B is always your corner point. So 0, 1. Okay? So M is 0, 1. Okay? Let's pick another corner point. Should I be adventurous this time or no? What do you want?
Nah.
No? Okay. Is that a corner point? 2, -4?
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, so to reach that point right here, how many did I have to go to the right?
2.
So because I went to the right, is that positive or negative?
Positive.
Good. Because I went down, is that for positive or negative?
Negative.
Good. Let's quickly go over this one. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. M equals -4 minus 1, 2 minus 0. Same change, change. Same change, change. Same change, change. Same sign or different signs at the top?
Same sign.
Add them up, -5. Same sign or different signs?
Different.
So well, technically it's 0. So that's your slope. M equals -5/2. And then you know that your B is 1. So you already have all the pieces to the puzzle, okay? Now you have to put them together. Okay, put them together into the formula. Y equals mx plus b. Should I put my magic goggles on?
Yes.
Magic goggles. Oh! Sorry.
Whoa.
Something got in. Y equals, instead of the M, you're going to put what?
-5/2.
-5/2. X. And instead of a B, you're going to put?
+1.
And then I know that this is non-proportional. Okay? This is non-proportional. So the answer for number 5, I'm going to put it right here. Pay attention. Oh, hold on. The answer for number 5 is Y equals -5/2x plus 1, and it is non-proportional. Check your answer. Start here from the big B. You're going to go 5 down because it's negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 to the right. 1, 2. Did you hit the line?
Yes.
Keep on going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 to the right. Did you hit the line?
Yes.
Yes. If you do the opposite, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 to the left, did you hit the line?
Yep.
And that is the answer for that one. Yes. Now, the error analysis. This is what I want you to do. Take a look at this, okay? Take a look at this. I want you to see if you find the mistake here. Okay? Take a couple of minutes. Pause it. Then fast forward the video to see if you got the right answer. Okay, so probably you already paused it and fast forward and you already got the answer, right? So I could tell you straight out that the mistakes for this one is this. One of the mistakes is that they did not pick a corner point. Look at what they picked. 0, 0 is a corner point, but 1, -1 is not a corner point. So your explanation could be, I disagree because the person did not choose a corner point. Therefore, the slope, keyword, highlight it. Therefore, the slope is incorrect. They did get the y-intercept correct. Okay? If you also read this, it also says it's not proportional because it goes through the origin. You should have said, I disagree because it's proportional because it goes through the origin. Highlight proportional, intercept, origin. Okay? And then the correct answer for this problem should have been y equals 1/2 x. Right? There it is. Okay, let's go to number 7. Look at number 7. Look at this. Pause the video, solve it, and see what you get. Most likely, you already paused the video and you already got the right answer. So what you should have found out is that this person did everything correct, right? What was the part that they did wrong?
Why does the B have a negative?
Oh, that's right. So the B, well, first of all, is that supposed to be B?
Uh-oh.
It's supposed to be what?
M, the slope.
Right? So you could write that. They messed up because they should have put an M here. But then negative divided by negative is?
Positive.
So you should have explained that too. Like, it's wrong because negative divided by negative is positive, okay? The right answer should have been, for that one, y equals 2/3 x plus 3. So that would have been the right answer. And if you also could have explained that, they mixed up the slope and the y-intercept, okay? Now it says it's proportional because it does not go through the origin. If it doesn't go through the origin, is it proportional or non-proportional?
Non-proportional.
It should have been non-proportional. So that is it. Okay, that was everything. Reviewing, creating equations. This is what you need for your exam in the next couple of days. If you didn't understand something, go ahead, rewind it again. If not, raise your hand. Ask Fernandez for your graphing worksheet that you also have to complete for homework. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, beautiful pumpkin. That's it. Deuces.